Beehiiv tutorial for beginners, complete walkthrough. Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about launching an email newsletter, building a dedicated subscriber base, or trying to move away from old school tools like MailChimp or Substack, you are in the exact right place. Today we're going to do a complete step-by-step walkthrough of Beehiiv from scratch. Most tutorials only show you the surface level basics, but we are going to dive deep into the entire dashboard, get your settings properly configured, set up your publication design, and get you ready to send your first email. And also, if you want to follow along with me and build your account in real time, you can test out the platform by signing up for a 14-day free trial plus 20% off your first 3 months of the premium features using our link in the description box. It's the cheapest way to unlock the backend sandboxes and see if it's the right fit for your content business. Right, so firstly, section number 1, dashboard foundations and workspace configuration. So when you finish your initial registration and log in into your workspace for the first time, you will land straight on your main account dashboard. Right now, your charts will be empty, but down the line, this page will provide a real-time snapshot of your active subscriber metrics, open rates, click-through rates, and your overall monetization earnings. The entire platform is run through that left-hand sidebar menu, which holds all your tools for publishing, audience growth, and web design, and also financial analytics. And before you touch any content, we need to handle your foundational administrative steps. So head all the way down to the bottom and click on Settings here. Under the Basic Publication tab, you need to establish your public-facing sender name, write a clean meta description for your brand, upload your logo, and pick your primary category tags. So as you can see under the General Info, we have the name of your publication. If you want a one-liner with description, you can paste it right over here. Then logo, just browse or upload here, and thumbnail preview also can use of course, a file from your computer. Then choose the tags. Say I will just go books. And you can, as you can see, select up to 3 tags. Default language, time zone, all these details, right? Scroll down. Also in content access, if you want to make it private, subscriber approval, retention flow, UTM parameters, just go through these and fill them up. And then up next, click on the Domains tab. In the same settings panel. So by default, Beehiiv gives you a basic subdomain that looks like yourname.beehiiv.com. If you want to build a truly authoritative brand, you need to connect a custom domain web address that you own. You can map your custom domain straight into this menu by using this dropdown here, and here you can just choose set up a custom web domain or email custom domain, or both. So Beehiiv will give you a specific DNS, TXT, and CNAME records to copy over to your domain provider. Handling this early is critical because it warms up your email domain reputation and ensures your newsletters land securely in your readers' primary inboxes instead of getting dumped into the spam folder. Okay, and now that your foundations are locked down, let's look at how you actually create content. So go back into the main dashboard, look under the Publish category, and select the Newsletter section. This is your primary command center for your posts library, drafts, scheduled campaigns, and historic tracking data. Whenever you are ready to write an update, you can just click on the New button, or just start writing right over here. Choose New, and for example, choose what you want to create. For example, draft post that we can just publish later. And this will open up the Visual Post Builder interface. And this block editor gives you a clean workspace split across 5 simple steps at the top of your screen. That will include Compose, Audience, Email, Web, and Review. And this setup walks you through your creation process step by step. In the Compose view, you can type your text normally, write your title, subtitle, of course description and writing that you wish to do, add creators, and then move on into the next one. You can just format your headers, insert high quality images, and drop in custom buttons. And also the real pro tip here is you can just save hours of production time every week by leveraging the template library, which is right here. Instead of rebuilding your layout, headers, social sharing links, and signature files from scratch for every single broadcast, you can just save your core layout as a clean, reusable template. You can design custom layout skeletons for your standard weekly updates, your deep dives, your personal announcements. This workspace also lets you manage your custom content tags to keep your archives organized and configure guest authors if you want to invite external writers to collaborate on an article without handling over full administrative control. And guys, once you get used to the post builder layout, putting together a professional mobile responsive newsletter takes less than 10 minutes. So don't forget, if you are building out your brand list along with me today, you can claim your 14-day free trial and secure a 20% discount on your first 3 months of their premium growth plans using our exclusive link down in the description below. It lets you test out the full template library and media workspace completely risk-free. Okay, and the next section is launching your website and podcasts hub. One of the coolest features of Beehiiv is that it doesn't just broadcast emails. It simultaneously builds a public-facing website hub for your brand on autopilot. If you navigate to the website section, which is right over here, and click on Builder, right over here, you will open up the updated theme editor. Every single newsletter you send out is automatically converted into an SEO-friendly blog post that populates your site's archive ledger, creating a lasting digital footprint for your brand. So in here, guys, you can just go ahead and follow this, as you can see, onboarding little guide. Press on next. Okay, as you can see, it tells you what you can do, but I will show you now. So what can we do? Guys, any object you want to change on your website or add anything, you can just select it like this, right? For example, this piece of text. You can delete the old text like this and type in something of your own, for example, hi world, right? And then of course, make sure to choose the proper fonts, colors, sizes of your fonts, right? If you want to maybe add some kind of styling to it, like underlines or whatever you wish, you can do all of that, guys. Also, if you want to change or create or add buttons, as you can see, we have blocks templates. So for example, if you want to go ahead and add a subscribe form, select it, press next, choose the color for it, and then press add block. And it will populate instantly on your site. And any other thing you want to do or edit, for example, this entire block, on the right, you'll find this editor configurator, where you can change the spacing, layout, sections, filling, right, for backgrounds and stuff, hover effects. As you can see, we have some animations, which is awesome, as you can see, right? So just like on Shopify and other editors like Wix, we have the same thing. And then in the website overview dashboard, you can track your total unique visitors, monitor individual page views, check bounce rates, and analyze your average session durations. The website builder itself uses intuitive design blocks where you can just customize your homepage, hero image, choose your brand font packages, upload custom site icons, and adjust your landing page layouts. Then you will also find right below it your podcast tab. So this is an awesome workspace if you are a multimedia creator. You can host your audio shows directly on the platform, choose to import a historical distribution feed from networks like Apple or Spotify using your standard RSS link, and track your listener metrics in one spot. It allows you to deliver text updates and podcast episodes together right into your readers' inboxes as a premium unified media experience. Alright guys, and now let's talk about the next section, importing contacts and organizing segments. So head to the subscribers tab. If you already have an audience built on an older platform, moving them over is incredibly simple. You just click the import subscribers right over here button, and then just locate your historical data with a CSV format, right? So just a spreadsheet, and Beehiiv will guide you through mapping your columns and your contacts will populate your master subscriber ledger instantly. Then once your list is in the system, you want to go ahead and open up Segments workspace. So this is where the true growth tracking happens. Beehiiv allows you to create highly detailed, automated data filters to organize your readers based on their actual behavior. For example, you can build an active segment for your most engaged subscribers, filtering for users who have opened more than 80% of your last 5 emails. You can also use the surveys and polls, which is right over here, tools right inside this tab, to embed interactive questions directly into your newsletter text blocks. So now our last thing is activating the monetization. So finally, on your dashboard, just have a look at a Add Network under Monetize section. So if you look at the lower half of your sidebar menu, if you want to run corporate sponsorships, the Add Network tab allows you to act as an independent publisher. Beehiiv acts as a programmatic broker, bringing pre-negotiated ad opportunities straight to your dashboard based on your niche. You can apply to campaigns with one click, insert professional sponsor blocks into your newsletter drafts, and earn reliable revenue based on your click metrics. And lastly, the absolute crown jewel here is the Paid Subscriptions tab. Inside this menu, you can construct premium membership tiers, design custom paywalls that log half of your blog posts for free readers while prompting them to upgrade, and offer special annual discounts. So this is it, guys. If you are ready to stop planning and start building, hit the link in our description of the video to claim your 14-day free trial and save 20% of your first 3 months. That's it. If this walkthrough helped you out, we are happy to help. And if this was helpful indeed, make sure to like the video and subscribe.